Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Meghalaya TMC slams MDA government over inaction in Mukro firing incident. Meghalaya TMC condemns Assam's move seeking information on churches. HEC questions NPP's source of income, asks party not to misuse government machinery. And Prime Minister Modi participates in first Veer Bal Divas to commemorate martyrdom of Guru Gobind Singh's sons. The news in detail. Meghalaya Trinamool Congress on Monday slammed the NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government for its failure to follow up the cases relating to the Mukro firing incident, which led to the death of 6 people, 5 from Meghalaya and 1 from Assam. Talking to reporters, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress spokesperson George P. Lingdo said that a special investigation team to probe into the Mukro incident is only an eyewash. According to him, the FIR should have been filed in Meghalaya and the culprits should have been booked and a warrant should have been issued to them. He further stated that it should have been done as per law and provisions of the CRPC.
Since day one only we said that in fact the FIR should have been filed on our land and those culprits should have been booked and then warrants should have been issued to them. But then they came up with the issue of the SIT, which in fact we know that the entire outcome of such investigations will not be there. It should have been as per law and as per the the provisions of IPC and CRPC. But the government did not follow.
The Meghalaya Trinamool Congress has strongly condemned the letter issued by the Assam government seeking key information on religious conversion and number of churches in the state of Assam, among others. Talking to reporters here today, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress spokesperson George P. Lingdo termed this move as discriminatory, adding that such actions threaten the safety and security of Christians. Lingdo said that the party will fight tooth and nail against the alleged atrocities being meted out by the BJP in Assam and the entire Northeast. Earlier, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has dissociated himself from the letter issued recently by an SP of the Assam Police Special Branch and said that neither was he informed about the content of the letter nor was it discussed at a government forum.
As a party, the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress condemns this discriminatory move and the ill treatment being meted to the Christian community, and this action further threatens the safety and security of Christians. As people-centric party which believes in upholding the rights of all, we will not stay silent while unsecular forces try to divide people and community on the basis of religion.
BJP legislator from Pinthor Unkra Alexander Lalu Hek has questioned the ruling National People's Party's source of income vis-a-vis reports of the party allegedly offering hefty sums of money to political leaders to join the NPP. Speaking to media persons, Hek accused NPP of playing money politics in Meghalaya. Recalling the difficulty faced by the government in paying salaries to its employees, he asked how the NPP can purportedly spend crores of rupees on elections. Pointing out that the state government has taken multiple loans, the senior BJP leader called out at the NPP, asking it not to misuse the government machinery in the name of focus scheme.
Anything misuse of power is a crime. Government machinery is to ensure that how we protect the citizens of our states, how we will bring complete peace in the minds of the people of our states, and we don't want to see any kind of communalism or divides and rule in the states of Meghalaya.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today participated in a historic program marking Veer Bal Divas at Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi. On the day of the Prakash Purab of Shri Guru Gobind Singh on 9th January this year, Mr. Modi had announced that 26th December will be observed as Veer Bal Divas to mark the martyrdom of Shri Guru Gobind Singh's sons, Sahibzadas Baba Zorawar Singh and Baba Fateh Singh. During the program, the Prime Minister attended a Shabad Kirtan performed by about 300 Bal Kirtanis. CBI has arrested Videocon chairman Venugopal Dhut in the ICICI Bank loan fraud case. Sources said he has been arrested from Mumbai. 2 days back, the agency arrested former ICICI Bank CEO and MD Chanda Kochar and her husband Deepak Kochar in connection with the case. The action was taken over the allegation of cheating and irregularities in an over 3,000 crore rupees loan sanctioned by the bank to the Videocon group in 2012. Earlier, the agency had registered an FIR against Chanda Kochar, Deepak Kochar, Venugopal Dhut and others in the matter. Government has decided to hold mock drills at all health facilities across the country tomorrow in the wake of rise in COVID cases in many countries. Union Health Ministry has asked all the states and union territories to hold mock drill at all health facilities. The objective of this exercise is to ensure operational readiness of these health facilities for management of COVID. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 15.9 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 9.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 84% while in the evening was 89%. Forecast thunderstorm and lightning with hail is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya TMC slams MDA government over inaction in Mukro firing incident. Meghalaya TMC condemns Assam's move seeking information on churches. HEC questions NPP's source of income, asks party not to misuse government machinery. And Prime Minister Modi participates in first Veer Bal Divas to commemorate martyrdom of Guru Gobind Singh's sons. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.